Hello.
Hello. Where are you?
Yeah, I'm from Bangladesh.
I'm from Australia.
Yeah, Australia. Okay.
How old are you?
I'm 29. And you? 34?
35.
35?
5. Yeah.
No, nobody will
No, I'm not.
believe that.
I'm
Nobody
not
will.
really 35. I'm 37. I'm 37.
No, nobody will believe
Actually,
that. Nobody will believe that.
I am.
Yeah, I promise you. Look, I swear that you looks like uh just under 30. I don't know what's the mystery of it.
Mom and dad look young. No.
Yeah, but you look, yeah, it looks really.
Makeup, maybe.
Yeah, I mean, your eyes sound so attractive and so fashionable, even at the same time, your lip is really so attractive, like completely just 20s as a girls as well. So, who believe that you are 37?
Well, not many. People do say I look younger. But,
Yeah, definitely.
um,
That's I'm
but I
saying
really.
you. Yeah. Do you know what? I like blonde hair.
Yeah, I got it done today. I had a little bit, of course, I had blonde hair when I was younger and then it went darker. But yeah, I got this hair done today and my
Oh.
nails done. But yeah, I done. But my mum has blonde hair. Blonde.
Oh yeah.
So yeah.
By birth, you got the blonde hair, or when you born, you got the blacker hair.
No, I had darker, had darker hair. No, I had blonde. But then as I grew, it went darker.
Oh, yeah. Okay. But may I
My
know?
sister, my sister had black hair. I
Oh,
had blonde hair.
oh, yeah. Okay. I think your mom is really so
Because my,
beautiful.
my dad's got black, my dad has black hair and my mum has blonde hair. My mum has like really blonde hair.
Oh,
So
your
I
mom
had
is
like the
blonde.
blonde hair.
Yeah.
She had, yeah.
Okay. I think your mom is so beautiful as well as you are.
She is beautiful. I think so.
Do you stay with your family, with your mom?
No, I stay by myself, but she lives not far.
Oh,
She doesn't live far from me. She's
oh.
close.
Which city do you live in? Melbourne or Perth City?
No, she lives close to me. Like we live a couple of streets away from each other. We're close.
Oh, yeah, okay, got it. So, what is your profession? May I know if it's not any problem to say it is here?
Uh, Basically, to sum it up, maybe just social work. I'd say social work. Yeah,
Social work. Okay, so beautiful and
but I work.
yeah, okay, go ahead.
Yeah, I work with people
Oh,
basically.
you work with the people. So nice to hear you. So, are you married or you're single still?
Yeah, I'm single.
Single? You have boyfriend?
No,
Are you enjoying to stay by yourself?
that would be nice to find someone to be with, but I, it's not like a necessity. I work a lot, so it's not like I have time anyway. But I do. It would be nice to have a companion, but it's
Oh,
not a necessity. I don't need someone.
that I think you are not thinking about this is
I'm
essential for
shy
you to
though.
find.
Like I'm talking on Bigo, whatever. But I'm in real life. I'm actually quite a shy person. So
Yeah, definitely. So I think I should not hold you any more time. Yeah, I'm really so thankful and really so. I have got a humble woman from Australia. My heart is really melted by your sound, by your love, by your appreciates. I'm so happy for you.
uh, thank you. You're very nice and sweet, and thank you for the chat. It was good.
Okay, wish you all the best. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Enjoy your life.